Assalamu alaikum. How are you, my dear student?
وعليكم السلام.
عليكم السلام. Alhamdulillah, Mister. How are you?
الحمد لله.
Fine, alhamdulillah.
Mister, I didn't check my homework.
Okay, no problem. First, we'll start the new lesson. Then,
And
inshallah,
you
we'll
check
revise
the-
the homework. No problem about it. Okay? So, first, open with me page number 572. Okay, ready?
Yep.
Yes. I'm ready, Mister. Yes.
Okay. Today,
Page what?
inshallah, we'll
Again?
start to speak about the coordinate plane. We'll start here to take the coordinate plane. Did you see this drawing before?
No, but I know what is the X and what is Y.
Okay.
No.
So in the first
No.
here in this coordinate plane, we'll start here to draw two lines. Okay. Two lines alike that you have it in your book here. The first line, we call this line, it's called the x-axis. And the second one, it's called the y-axis. Every time you have x-axis in the horizontal line, but the y-axis on the vertical line. So x-axis on the horizontal line and y-axis on the vertical lines. When we start to speak about the coordinate plane, now we know that you have x-axis and the y-axis. We're starting now to learn a new thing. It's called an ordered pair. What is the ordered pair? Ordered pair, it's like this bracket that you have inside it points. This number, the first number represents the number of x, and the second number represents the number of y. So the first number represents x coordinate, and the second number represents y coordinate. Okay? So here it's x and here it's y. Here it's x and here it's y.
Mister, can you repeat the last point about the y
So
coordinate?
when we speak about the ordered pair here, that you have now the 2 points, the first number here related to x and the second number related to y. When you put the 2 points, these 2 points refer about the final points that you can reach it. So see with me here in the drawing, how can I reach to point 4 and 6? So now you are like the ants. You start to move like the ant to reach to number 4 on x-axis. So you move on the blue arrow here till number 4. When you reach to number 4, you stop. When you stop here, you start to go up. Like when you move from your home to any place, you move first on the street. You move first on the street. Then if you have the restaurants up here, after you move the restaurant in the street, you can go up the stairs till go up 6 floors. So how can I represent this point again? This point will start here to move on x-axis, the first number 4. After you reach here to number 4, I start to go up to 6. When you go up to number 6, stop and start to make the point. This is the first one. Again, how can we do again another point here? But first, take care here that you have that this point, it's called origin point. This origin point, it is the point that you have it here, 0 and 0. The origin point here that you have here, 0 and 0. So again, how can we do it again? See with me here in the example. See with me here in the example. How can we reach to point M here? First, to reach to point M as the ordered pair, this ordered pair, you have inside it 2 numbers. The first number with x and the second number with y. The first number x and the second number is y. So how can I reach to point M? First, I move in the street 2 steps, or I move in x-axis 2 steps. So I write here in the first one, 2. After I reach to number 2 here, I start to go up 1, 2, 3, 4. So I go up here 4 steps. So he said for you here that the horizontal distance from the origin point to point M, it's 2 units. So the x coordinate will be 2, that I move here in the horizontal 2. About the vertical, we move 4 units, that you have here, it's 4. So the ordered pair will be 2 and 4. So again, how can we do the ordered pair? Number 1, I count how many steps I move on x-axis. I count how many steps I move on x-axis. After I move on x-axis 2, then when we go up, I go 4. So we'll write 2 in the first, then we'll write 4 in the second. Again, if I want to reach here this point, and I want to start from the origin. When I start from the origin point, that is 0 and 0, we move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I move 5 units to right. After I finish 5 units to right from here, start to go up. When I go up, so the first floor, second floor, third one, so we move up 3 units. So this point, it's called 5 and 3. So take care that about that 5 and 3, it's not equal 3 and 5. Why, mister? Because here it's a 5 in x, but here it's a 3 on x. So we have a different point. So 5 and 3 not equal 3 and 5. So now we'll start to take the example to see who understand it or who has a problem.
Sir, I have a problem.
I didn't say for you to speak. I didn't say for you to speak. So now, in the first question, number 1 here, we want to see here, where is point B and where is point S? We want to write the ordered pair about it. So we'll start with the first one. Yes, الفاتح.
Yes, mister.
Yes, الفاتح. Here point B الفاتح. Can you tell me about X and Y, the coordinate?
3.
Do you see point B?
Yes.
Yes, here point B. How can I reach to point B here?
3.
We move first to 3. See? Did you move here only to 3?
No, 4.
Yes. So I move in the first to number
4.
4. So I will write the first here number 4. Okay. After that,
3.
from 4, you go up to number what?
2.
2. Yes, right. So you didn't reach to number 3. Yes, right?
Yes.
Yes. So the answer here will be 4 and
2.
4 and 2. Okay. Thanks a lot for you. Yes, Zaid.
Yes, mister.
Here, Zaid, how can I reach to point S?
If you want to reach for point S, so
Yeah.
it will be 0 in X and 4 and 5. 4 in Y.
0 in X and 4 in
Y.
Y. 0 in X and 4 in
Y.
Y. Can I change between them, Zaid? Can I write 4 and 0?
If you change them, so the place will change.
Yes,
Because,
excellent. So I can't
under-
change between them. Good.
Yes.
Okay. Thanks a lot for you.
Okay.
Now, I will start the next point with Muhammad Hanzala. Yes, Muhammad. Muhammad Hanzala. Okay, Marwan Said.
Yes, Mister.
Yes.
Here 5F.
Question
Mister,
number
this is my
3, I
name.
want to put point F.
Mister, 1 second. Here that will be until up here.
Okay, after you reach to the point, you will erase the arrow and only put point here.
Okay.
Okay, Marwan?
Okay.
After
Did
that,
you take my
write
name?
the name of the letter that is F.
Mister.
Okay, Marwan?
Okay.
Okay, so without arrow, this is arrow only. We did it in the first to understand what is the meaning and how can we move. And after you finish, erase all arrows, only leave the last point that you reach about it. Okay? Thanks a lot.
Did you say my name?
No use.
Okay.
Now the next one is Marwan Naif.
Yes, Mister. And the
How
next
can
one
we
you
put the point of number 4?
said, okay, mistake, Mister. Point 4, 3.0, 3 to 3 and 3, 1, 2, and then we'll make it 3, and in the number of 0, 3. Okay. Here, 3 and number
First reach to number 3.
B. Here, there.
Here it's a 3. Then number 0, it means that go up 0. So go up any place?
No.
No, it's a 0. So we will make this point. I help you here.
This, yes, we have this point.
This one. And this point will write in front of it P.
B.
Okay?
Yes.
Do you have any problem till now?
No.
Okay. Now on the next. On question number 5, 6, 7, 8. We'll start here. Yes, Omar Nasser. Omar Nasser.
Yes, Mister.
Point M.
Okay, 1 minute. Right?
As you like.
Okay, all right.
You can write here the answer.
Okay, point in. And this way, 8, then 8. Okay.
Yes, okay. Thanks a lot.
You're welcome.
Yes, Rubaida.
Yes, Mister.
Yes.
Point Q, Mister 77.
Point Q, it's what and what?
Mister, it's 7.
This point Q comes from number.
Mister, 2 and 7.
Okay. Thanks a lot, عبيدة.
Welcome.
عمر الجندي.
Yes, Mister.
Yes, عمر.
Point N 7 and 6.
Thanks a lot. مروان محمد. Yes, مروان.
Yes, Mister.
Yes, مروان.
Sir, I was have a problem on mic.
No problem. So tell me, what about R?
R 3 2 and 0.
Okay, thanks a lot. Yes, Yusuf Walid.
Mister.
Yes.
Okay. Point P. Okay. P. Okay. Write it.
Okay, no problem.
Okay. The answer will be. Here is it.
Okay, thanks a lot. Okay, Muhammad Hamzala, you can write the answer. I know that you have a problem in your mic, so you can write the answer. Also, you can't write it. Okay, so I'm waiting your answer, Muhammad. So, Muhammad, you have a problem also in your writing. So, point T, it's okay. Karim Munir.
Yes, point T 05. 05.
05, okay. Thanks a lot. Now, on the next, yes, Zaid.
Yes, Mister.
Number 11.
I will write. Okay. Pull it and label the point in the coordinate plane above. So, Mister, I think here I need to see the letter and put it in its place from Y and X.
Put it.
Okay. S 0 and here 3. So it will be here. Let me just write it, please. Okay. The X is 0, but the Y is
3.
so we're going to write it here. Wait a second. Okay, here. S. Here.
Okay, but before you write the points, very important to make the dots.
Okay.
to determine where is the point accurately.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
thanks a lot. Now الفاتح.
Yes, mister.
Yes.
Yes, mister.
I want to put letter F.
Letter F.
Yes.
Letter F on 2.5.
Okay, Ruth, put 2 and 5. Where is 2 and 5 here?
Okay, we'll put it.
Can you put F or not?
I put it.
It's 2 and 5. Yes, right. Excellent.
Okay, you are welcome.
Thanks a lot. Now, number 13. Yes, Marwan Naif. Marwan Naif.
Yes, mister.
Yes, Marwan. Number 13, please.
13, 0 over 0.
Mm-hmm.
In W, not will make 0 over 0. But but it can't be because 0.
Why
over
can't
0.
be? It's here and here.
Yes, I
Here.
know that 0 and 0.
So it's here.
Yeah.
This is the W. Okay.
Okay, but Mister, I made by mistake this line.
No problem. Thanks a lot.
You're welcome.
Now we'll start the next point. Here, Omar Nasser. Yes, Omar
Yes,
Nasser, tell me
yes.
what is the name of this point? Which letter?
Okay. Okay. 5 and 2. Let's. This.
So, letter D. That's right?
Yes.
Okay, thanks a lot.
Welcome.
Marwan Said.
Yes.
Yes.
It will be the answer E
Okay.
here because here 8x, here 8x,
Excellent.
and 4y, here is 4y.
Mm-hmm.
So the answer here will be E.
Okay.
Okay.
Thanks a lot.
You are
Now
welcome.
number 16, 0 and 3. So let's start Karim Munir.
Yes, Mr.
Yes.
03. 03 is A.
03, it's A. It's okay. Thanks a lot. Okay, thanks a lot for you.
Mister, you stop share.
Yes, you stop.
Okay, so now we finished this lesson. Only this lesson speak about how can you put the coordinate plane, how can you find the point X and Y from the coordinates. Okay, do you have any problem till now?
No.
Okay, so today you have
No.
your homework, page number 575 and 500.
Mister, how we can answer the Mister, if we have a problem solving that's y and x, we must make the table, all of the table, the square.
Which one?
No, if we have like, I don't know what's
Maybe if we have like that, maybe we'll start to write something like that. Okay.
Okay.
So your homework today, inshallah, page number 575 and 576. Okay, do you have any question?
Thank you.
Okay,
No,
thanks a lot for all of you. See you inshallah tomorrow.
Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum. Salam alaikum.